Well, hello, William Williams, Philippines. Hope everybody's doing good today. Uh, the universe comes crashing down. Oh, I gotta wait an extra 24 hours for my surgery. They called me this afternoon, told me the order for my uh, lens, the cataract lens, it didn't come in. So I get a call about 2:30 or 3, something like that. I gotta wait until Wednesday. The world comes to a screeching halt. The universe is ended. That's okay. I really would like to have got it in the morning, though. It is what it is. I I am tired. Got out the door, went and did things. Uh, saw three different tackle shops, bait shops, whatever you want to call them. Only one of them was actually still a tackle shop. Lapu Lapu Tackle, I think it is, over in Mactan. I had to go to Mactan. I don't like Mactan. Uh, the yeah, I've had mixed results when it comes to Mactan. Don't don't really like the place. The vibe just ain't for me. But the tackle store I liked. Uh, it is what it is. Yeah, I one of the ones I got to was here, and got there, and the guy says no more in business. Yay. The other one, I couldn't find it. I was where it was supposed to be. Completely gone, I guess. I don't know. At least, yeah. Google Maps said I was where I was supposed to be, and the address showed or well, the street area showed this is where it's supposed to be. Apparently, it did a Harry Houdini and disappeared because it wasn't there. But that's okay. I did find, hey, 1 out of 3, and it was over on Mactan. So I found three more that are over in the same general area within walking distance of each other. So I'm going to try those tomorrow. I did see a 9-foot surf rod I liked. Seen several rods I liked. Yeah, can't just jump on the first ones you see them. So yeah, trying to do a bit of shopping and getting uh, decisions made. All I know is it's been a long day. I'm tired. I picked up my bag of laundry, was thinking run it out the door, carry it over there. And I picked it up and I just looked at it again and I dropped it back down and said, no, tomorrow. Yeah. uh, but I did make kind of a pork stir fry. It's actually turned out pretty decent. Got it on top of a bunch of rice I made. Yes, I made rice. Well, the rice cooker made rice. I filled it, rinsed it, filled it with good water, and cooked it. Yeah, actually turned out pretty good. Uh, I was happy to have my meal. Problem is now really I'm tired and want to go to sleep. And I started my day out with the intents of being asleep by 8 so that I could wake up by 4 so I could be done with coffee and everything and have breakfast and be ready to go out the door by 6:30 or so, 7, so I could be over there by 8. Yeah. Now I'm delayed by 24 hours. I still have I was prepared for, and hmm, I don't oh, okay. Buttonhole. So that's what it looks like. Uh, uh, anyway, yeah. My plan for tomorrow is to, like I said, go over and try to check out these three bait or tackle shops near each other. I kind of got the ones that were spread out. Well, a couple of the ones that were spread out. Long day. I'm tired. Oh, this thing, kind of a terry cloth kind of knit. I don't know what you call it. $3. Yeah, guess it's a polo shirt of some sort. I don't know. All I know is it's comfortable. It doesn't do bad at trying to keep the temperature down on you. So, yay. Yeah, I'm a bit on the tired side. Got up early to take and get things done. Got out, got things done. Got back here and found, oh yeah, I'm in the process of trying to cook, and I get a message saying, well, I got a phone call and I missed it, and I call them back and they give me the message, oh, sorry, next day. Hmm, okay, I'm okay. But I really was ready for this night to be working because, quite honestly, I see myself on the screen all fuzzy and wuzzy and was not a bear. It's better when I look over here with this one. Yeah, things are, oh, not fuzzy. Yeah, when my right eye is open, everything catches a haze to it. It was kind of the same thing except reverse when I had this eye was before, didn't have the ability to focus. So I got used to not focusing. Now I've got focus, can actually zero in on something and read it, if it's close enough. But yeah, uh, I was going to get all my bills done. I got them all sorted. About 2 hours worth of sorting, this to that, just to get them to the same store. Didn't realize I'd been going to so many different places. Started trying to figure out what the purpose of them was, and decided that that could wait until today. And today got erased. That was yesterday. Today got wrote off as ain't doing it tonight. I'm already too tired, don't want to try and run numbers in my head and sort things. So I have a nice, neat pen pile. Uh, it's ready to separate back out or lay back out and start the process. I'm dreading it. I know I went over budget, but I knew I was going to go over budget because, oh yeah, first month, getting all the things you need to set up and go. It's like, and I just realized something else. Uh, at home, I have a bunch of little saucers. At home, I have a bunch of little sauce bowls, little ones that you can just put like ketchup or something in there for dipping. I don't have those here. So I need to go spend a couple pesos on those. It's amazing how you keep finding little things that need to be gotten. I think I got most things I need. Ain't guaranteed jack though. Anyway, I'm tired. It's been a long day, and I've had my share of good food, and I'm full, and that's a good thing. Anyway, I'm Williams, Philippines. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. Do the like, comment, subscribe thingy. It's you. Figure it out. I'm Fish. Fish is out. Later blessings and bye bye.